this is how the frame turned out. I ran out of paint, so I couldn't do it, like add more coats. It definitely needed more coats. So if you have acrylic paint, maybe that would be better for it. I mean, not acrylic paint, sorry, chalk paint. But acrylic paint, maybe a darker color would be, you would need less coats, but I used a fairly light color. So it kind of looks distressed a bit, but I kind of like that. So we're going to flip it around and we are going to measure it out. So I'm just going to open up all of these. You see it's not neat in the back. So you can paint the back if you want, but no one is going to see this, y'all. Mark where, probably, let me see, where the cork board kind of like ends on here. And I guess you can kind of bend it too to kind of know. And then I'm going to, don't bend it, take it back, do not bend it. I'm gonna take my small cutting board from Dollar Tree and I'm going to take a rotary blade cutter and I'm just going to cut alongside that. So as you're cutting, make sure you're going back and forth a few times so that you can get through the thickness of the cork board. Okay. So hopefully I didn't cut it too small because that would happen to me. Okay, perfect. So you have two options. You can close these if you want to like reuse it and whatnot, and it'll be, I would say, I'm gonna hot glue mine because I just want it to be more secure. I'm gonna take some hot glue and put it around the edges, and you can be extra precise if you want, but no one is gonna see the back of this thing. I'm trying to be quick so that it don't dry. Okay, let's quickly do this. So I'm just pressing down to see if it made contact. I think some of the hot glue dried before it got to it. Okay. So that feels way better than just with the things, but I also did put these things, and you could also, if you wanted to, you could put back that backing that I had, but I think this is perfectly fine for me at least. Okay, so now I want to kind of decorate it. So what I was thinking is I have these little, let me bring you in closer. I have these blings, so I was thinking of alternating all around the thing. You can use E6000 if you want to with this. I'm just gonna use hot glue because I'm not trying to be waiting for this to dry forever. So first I'm gonna do all these bigger ones. Can you see that? All throughout the four corners. Okay, so I'm gonna play around and see if I like it just like that. or if I want to add more. So you can use this e.l.f. wax pencil. It's for brows, but it's good for picking up bling and things too. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it like this bottom one on the bottom and top, and then I'm going to leave the sides as is.